In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. So basically, you want to be on WhatsApp, but you don't want anybody to see if you're online when using WhatsApp. So to do that, you need to open your WhatsApp, and then down right here, you want to click on Settings. Then once you come to this page, you want to go here, which says Privacy. So the moment you click on that, is going to show you this page right here. So at the top, right here, you can see here where it says last seen and online. So this way, you need to tap, and it is going to open this page that you are seeing right now. So basically, you can see we have two options here on this page. The first one here is where you can set who can see my last seen. So basically, you want to set it to nobody, because most of the times, it is going to be on everyone right here. So you want to screech it to nobody at this particular section, which is this section at the top right here. And then down right here, you're going to see another option right here, which you can set who can see when I am online. So the default setting is going to be everyone. But now, you can now switch it to the same settings as the first section right here. Basically, when you set it to here, nobody will be able to see when you are online. So you can now use your WhatsApp, and nobody will know if you are online and using WhatsApp. So basically, this is it, guys. This is how you can actually hide your online status on WhatsApp.